So you might be in a position where for some reason your Instagram posts are just not being deleted. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you're posting on Instagram like Katy Perry is or whoever they are, and maybe you're trying to delete your posts, but none of the posts are actually being deleted. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The very first thing I recommend doing for the most part is making sure that you're actually, the post isn't actually being deleted and you're not actually seeing it. So what this means is basically if you just go ahead and just refresh your post and refresh your page like this, sometimes it may still show you that the post is there, but it's actually being deleted in the background. So if I just went ahead and just posted a story, let's just say I posted this on my Instagram post right here, and I wanted to go ahead and basically post it. Okay, I'm pasting whatever. Now if I wanted to go ahead and basically post it, I can just post it like this. And once it's posted, I need to wait until it's fully posted until I can delete it. Now when it's posted, if you want to delete it, just make your way over to your Instagram post right here. Go and scroll down. You want to either click on here, and you want to go and find the delete button. So click on delete, go and click on delete again, and that will end up deleting it. Now, sometimes if you make your way back into your profile here, it may still accidentally show you, but just refresh the page and that might end up fixing it. Now, another thing you may want to try doing is to update your particular Instagram application. So make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store. You want to click on the search button on the bottom, and all you're going to want to do is just search up Instagram. So come up here and search up Instagram like you normally would. And what you're going to want to do is find the Instagram app. And right here where it says open, you may just want to go ahead and make sure that this particular button says open or whatever. If it says update or if there's an update panel all around it, go ahead and tap on the update panel. And what that's going to do is it's basically going to update your particular Instagram application. That is probably all you're going to have to do. And whenever I've had this issue, all I've had to do is just update it. And that's probably all you have to do here. So if that still doesn't work, you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, like one of those types of websites that tells you what's down and what's up. And you can just make your way here, and if it shows you that Instagram is down or up, all you have to do is just go ahead and wait until Instagram ends up fixing the issue, and then you should be able to delete your particular things that way. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.